Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the WORTH electric lawnmower. This is a phenomenal electric lawnmower. I'm going to go into details why and the price point and everything. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and again I will leave a link down below in the description on this electric lawnmower. And so let's jump right into it. First off, why I like this lawnmower? Well, it does a phenomenal job of cutting the grass. And let me go ahead and show you guys this. This is the grass right here that's cut. Really nice. And you've got different settings here to cut the grass. So for example, you can see here with the lever is on level 3. You can actually raise it to level 6. You've got this little area right here, so if it hits a tree, it doesn't bump into the main lawnmower area and breaking the plastic. You've got two 84-volt lithium batteries. This is really nice because a lot of other competitors out there, they don't give you 84 volts. They usually give you 40 or 50 or maybe 80. These are two 84 volts, so that's very nice. It does have an emergency key to withdraw, and these are the buttons here to press out in popping out the batteries. You've got this nice little cover here to protect it from the elements. If you can see right here, this is extremely quiet, 96 decibels, and is a 51 centimeter deck, so it actually has a pretty good width in terms of cutting the grass, so you don't have to stay longer in cutting, right? The wheels are pretty good in terms of the grip. You've got a quick press to release tab right here. Basically, how do you start this? Well, it's pretty simple and easy. And before I get into that, this little knob right here, I mean, you can tell it kind of shows you if you want the lawnmower to go slower or faster. I put on slow because I like to have a little bit more control over my cuts. You also have this little button right here in terms of when you push the power, you can be able to utilize the battery right here. When you do start, very extremely easy. And by the way, you have this lever right here. I'm going to show you here in a second. But you press this power button down, and then you pull this up. Let me go ahead and let go right there. But you can see all the power lights turn on. So it's showing you it's 4 lights, perfect in terms of full battery. But that's how you turn on the lawnmower. Now, if you want to be able to move it, which I'll go ahead and show you here in a minute. You basically push down the power button, you pull it up, right? And you don't have to push that, and then, right? So as easy as that, and it is quiet too. So in terms of the cutting, like I said, it does a phenomenal job cutting. It hasn't missed any spots whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead and have fun here and cutting some more grass, but this one I make sure to do this full review here of this lawnmower. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description for this product, and again, it's a brushless technology, so it has all the bells and whistles, and the price point is phenomenal. So if you guys like me to review any other electric lawnmowers here on the channel, feel free to comment down below. If you tried any other electric lawnmower, feel free to let me know your thoughts on how it's been for you. And love to review other electric lawnmowers here on the channel. This one's a phenomenal product, but open-minded to reviewing other ones for you all here on the channel. So feel free to comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and check you guys out on the next video. Thanks.